Good morning, dear students. Last class I have finished the problems on partial fractions problems. At the same time, if the denominator have non-repeated linear factor and repeated linear factor, at the same time repeated and quadratic polynomial, like those questions I have finished on last class. Today we will solve some different types of problems on partial fractions. First question is resolve into partial fractions. Resolve into partial fractions. Resolve into partial fractions. Resolve into partial fractions here. First question is x square by x square plus 1 into x plus 1. How to solve this question here? X square by x square plus 1 into x plus 1 here. See, first already I told last class also, if you want to move to solve partial fraction problems, first we have to check whether it is proper or improper. Already ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿನಿ, ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ 2, degree of denominator is 2, x square is here 2, here x power is 1, 2 plus 1 3 here, that is 2 is less than 3. That's why the given fraction is a proper fraction. At the same time, in a denominator part they gave one is quadratic, one is linear. In case of quadratic they gave x square plus 1. X square plus 1, is it converting into product of polynomials? But we can't convert into product of linear polynomials. That's what here x square plus 1 becomes always non-factorizable quadratic factor. Otherwise we can call it as irreducible quadratic polynomial. That's what we can convert into sum of partial fractions like this. ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ, ಒಂದು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಬಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸಬಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸೇ ಹೇ ಥರ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ consider x square by x square plus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to, first one is ax plus b whole dividing by x square plus 1. Last one is linear factor c by x plus 1. It is the irreducible quadratic factor, means for that already I told this formula under the notes. That's what, for that we are going to writing ax plus b by x square plus 1. It is equation number 1. This is x square by x square plus 1 into x plus 1 here is equal to, take LCM here, x square plus 1 into x plus 1, taking cross multiplication, ax plus b into x plus 1 plus c of x square plus 1 here gets cancelled. Then we'll get x square is equal to ax plus b into x plus 1 plus c of x square plus 1. It is the main step, equation number 2. This is first put x plus 1 is equal to 0. You will get one factor. See here, put x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is implies x is equal to minus 1 in 2 here. That is minus 1. That means x plus 1 place alli 0 anta substitution ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 0, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದರ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ is equal to a of minus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus 0 here plus c into x plus minus 1 whole square plus 1 here. Minus 1 whole square plus 1 is equal to 0 into whole part becomes 0 plus c into minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square means here we can write plus 1 and remaining is plus 1 here. 1 is equal to c of 2 here. That is implies we can write here 2c is equal to 1 or c is equal to sin 2 that side, it becomes 1 by 2. Therefore c is equal to 1 by 2 here. We got one value by taking x plus 1 is equal to 0. ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ, c is equal to 1 by 2. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂತದೋ? ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ x plus 1 is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿವಲ್ವಾ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 by 2 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್, ಒನ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಓವರ್. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್, ಪುಟ್ x equal to 0 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಪುಟ್ x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0 in to equation number 2. That is 0 square 0 is equal to a into 0 plus b into 0 plus 1 plus c into 0 square plus 1. 0 square means 0 only. Here next 0 is equal to a into 0 plus b 0 plus 1 plus c into 0 plus 1 here. That implies 0 is equal to b plus c, b into 1 b, c into 1 c here. Already we got c value is 1 by 2. That is implies b is equal to sin c this side minus c. So b is equal to here minus c value namage bandide adu 1 by 2. That's what finally we got the value of b is minus 1 by 2. It is the side this. We got c value is 1 by 2 and b value is minus 1 by 2. Next we need one more value, that is a value we need here. How to find out a value here? A value is by comparing the coefficients of x square. By comparing the coefficients of x square. Comparing coefficients of x square. Comparing the coefficients of coefficients of x square. See here, from equation 2 only, from equation 2 only here. Equation 2, what is the here x square coefficient becomes 1. At the side of x square there is no nothing, means we must and should consider it is 1 is equal to ax into x. ax into x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ax ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋದರೆ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ನಮಗೆ a ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟು ಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು you will get x square coefficient becomes c in second term. In first term also, if you can take product of ax plus b is the one term, another term is x plus 1. If you can take product between these two, then you will get ax square. First term is ax square. The first term is ax square means at the side of x square which letter is there? Capital A. Then we can consider in that first term the coefficient of x square is always becomes capital A from the equation to here. Yes. 1 is equal to, we got already c value is 1 by 2. A plus c value we got 1 by 2. Send 1 by 2 this side. 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to capital A. Taking LCM 2 into 1 2, 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. Could be A. Or we can write A is equal to 1 by 2 here. We got the values. Put the values of A, B and C in equation number 1. Put A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to minus 1 by 2 and C is equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 1. That is x square by x square plus 1 into x plus 1, ax plus b, a value means 1 by 2 of x plus b means minus 1 by 2 whole dividing by x square plus 1 plus c value is 1 by 2 whole dividing by x plus 1, which is our required answer for this question. Because first equation first ನಮಗೆ ax plus b by x square plus 1 c by x plus 1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಸಲುವಾಗಿ a ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 2, b ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 by 2 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Resolve into partial fractions. Resolve into partial fractions. Resolve into partial fractions. First question is x square plus 1 whole dividing by x of x square plus 2. I can solve this. One is quadratic, another one is linear. How to solve this question here? Already I told also. Before that, we have to check about these fractions whether it is a proper or improper fractions, we have to check. See here, x square coefficient is 1, 2 here, x square degrees coefficient is 1, x square coefficient is 1, but degree of numerator is 2 and degree of denominator is, if you can multiply this x into x square x cube, that is the degree of denominator becomes 3. 2 is less than 3. Now consider ಈ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 2 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆವಾಗ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾವು 2 ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಆ ಥರ ಬಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 whole dividing by x of x square plus 2 is equal to, first one is linear a by x, second one is quadratic, we can't convert them into product of factors, bx plus c whole dividing by x square plus 2. You represent this equation number 1. Take LCM here, x square plus 1 whole dividing by x of x square plus 2. LCM for these two fractions is x of x square plus 2. ಈ ಥರ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೊದಲನೇದು ನಮಗೆ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನ್ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಲೀನಿಯರು, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನು a by x ಅಂತ. ಎರಡನೇ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಟಿಕ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. You considered equation number 2. From this step only we are going to finding the values of a comma b and c here. First the linear factors ನಮಗೆ only one x ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Just we are seeing only linear factor is x only here. That's what directly you can here put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 in equation number 2. 0 square 0 plus 1 is equal to a of 0 square 0 plus 2 plus b into 0 plus c of 0. x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ x I am going to substituting 0 here. 0 plus 1 means 1 here. a of 2 plus 0 plus c, ಅಥವಾ total term 0 into ಇದೆ, that's what becomes total becomes 0 here. 1 is equal to 2a, or we can write 2a is equal to 1. Then a is equal to, we can write here 1 by 2. We got one value, that is a is equal to here 1 by 2. Next we don't have any linear factors here. That's why first we must compare with some x coefficients. Next compare with x square coefficients also. First case comparing the x coefficients. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮುಗೀತು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 0 ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಏನು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತಹ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗುಣಕಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಗುಣಕಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೆಲವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ದ 2 more values. For that, for getting 2 more values, first we must compare x coefficients and afterwards we must compare x square coefficients also. By taking comparison like this, we will get 2 more values also here. See here, I will tell you procedure how to compare the coefficients of x and coefficients of x square here. Comparing the x coefficients. Comparing the x coefficients. X coefficients in left from 2 only. Everything is from 2 only. Equation 2 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ we don't have any x coefficients. That's what becomes 0. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿನೂ a into x square, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, 0. ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಸಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ 0. 0 c plus 0 c, therefore c is equal to 0. We got c is equal to 0 here. Next, comparing x square coefficients. Comparing the x square coefficients. X square coefficients from 2 only. From 2 equation 2 ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು x square coefficients ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Here x square coefficient is 1. A into x square, x square coefficient becomes 1 a here. bx into x, bx square ಅಂದರೆ b. First term a into x square, x square coefficient is a. bx into x, bx square, x square coefficient is b. We got a value. 1 is equal to a value is 1 by 2 plus b. Send 1 by to this side. 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to b. 2 into 1, 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 is equal to b. Or we can write here b is equal to 1 by 2. After getting all these three substitutes in equation number 1. Put the values. Put a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to also 1 by 2, and c is equal to 0 in equation 1. In equation 1 here. That becomes, problem is x square plus 1, x square plus 1 dividing by x into x square plus 2 is equal to a by x plus bx plus c whole dividing by x square plus 2. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. x square plus 1 by x into x square plus 2 is equal to a value we got here 1 by 2 whole dividing by x plus b value we got 1 by 2 of x, c value is 0 whole dividing by x square plus 2 here. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಬರೋದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 of x whole dividing by x square plus 2. Leave that 0. Otherwise you can take 0 also, no problem, because for 0 you may write or you may not write, because both are giving same meaning here. Like that we are giving a solution to this sum of partial fractions. That I have finished two types of questions, repeated, non-repeated and irreducible quadratic polynomial. Today we will solve the problems on sum of partial fractions if the denominator have irreducible quadratic factor and non-repeated linear factor. Irreducible means non-factorizable, one linear factor. ಈ ಥರ ಎರಡು ಕೊಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿವಿ. ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, at that time how to solve the problem, like that I have finished these types of problems. Next class I will tell you repeated linear factors, at the same time repeated linear factors and quadratic polynomial, like that. Tomorrow we will solve, next class we will solve like all those problems. Thank you very much.